Our relationship with Montgomery Homes spans over 25 years. Our first house we built was in 1996. I love our first house, bringing up our kids and just great memories.
We love our neighbourhood. We feel safe in this neighbourhood. It became such an amazing suburb.
We're close to the lake, we're close to the beach. I used to ride my motorbike around here. Nice neighbours, friends everywhere. And the neighbourhood was perfect for us.
You know, credit to Montgomery Homes, they've done a pretty good job 24 years ago, but the only thing is the house outgrew our kids.
We just decided that that home was a great home for little ones, and they had no personal space for a teenager and their friends, so I wanted to build where we sort of could be living separate.
I was quite comfortable to stay at our old house next door. Ellie and Jai wanted something bigger and more flashier.
And me.
Better. And Katrina wanted a Butler's Pantry, and Ellie wanted her own toilet shower. 3 on 1. I got outnumbered, so I just caved in. I couldn't keep fighting them.
We looked around probably for 6 months at other homes, but there was just nothing that we decided that we liked. We love this street, we love the community. I just don't know if I'd feel the same in another area. My mum and dad bought this house when I was 21. We bought it off them when they moved, so we have both blocks next to each other. We decided to knock down this house. It was a flat block and we got the lake views, so we decided to bring Montgomery Homes and start off fresh again.
Well, I was pretty hesitant of knocking a house that was already livable and staying in our first house. Montgomery Homes said it'd be the right thing to do, and we took their advice on board, and we were surprised at the end result and how much money we did save by knocking it down and starting on a fresh block of land.
I love our new house because we all designed the house together. I have my own privacy downstairs. I have my office off my room where I can study and do my work from home, and I have an area now where I can hang out with my friends and be relaxed.
We still kept the old house next door because we know it's a quality house. You know,
And you're too attached to it?
I'm too attached to it, yeah. It was our first brand new house we've ever built in our life, so once you sell it, you never get a chance to buy it back again, so we'll probably hand it over to the kids, or they'll probably fight over it. Our next project would be when we want to downsize and retire. I'm sure they'll fulfil that if we ever want that done. That'd be our 3rd time, hat trick.